Hello friends, today we'll discuss about bacterial pathogenesis. Now when we discuss about bacterial pathogenesis, the first point that is supposed to be discussed is morphology of the bacteria. So about morphology of the bacteria generally appear in three basic shapes. One is cocci, that is spherical shaped bacteria. One is rod, that is bacilli, and third is spiral shape. So most of the bacteria will assume either of the shape. So in most of the cases bacteria are either cocci, they are rods, or they are spiral in shape. These are the three basic shapes in the morphology of the bacteria. Apart from this, there can be other shapes within these three shapes, such as streptococci, that is cocci in chains, streptobacilli, that is bacilli in chains. Now what is the importance of studying the morphology of the organism? So morphology of the organism can help you in presumptive diagnosis of the infection. That is, it can help you in presumptively identifying the type of organism which has infected along with the gram character. For example, if we talk about pneumococcus has lanceolate shape. They are cocci but they are lanceolate shape. So bacteria, they have typical morphology which can be identified under microscope, which will help in presumptive diagnosis, which will help in starting the treatment for the patient.